켈리니카이트입니다. 오늘은 제가 예전부터 하려 했다가 사실 안 했던 Assumption About Me 라는 영상을 찍어볼 거예요. 이제 제가 지난주쯤에 여러분들이 저에 대해서 하는 추측을 보내달라고 부탁을 드렸는데 되게 신기하고 좀 재미난 추측들이 많더라고요. 그래서 오늘 한번 그 추측들에 대해서 이게 사실인지 아닌지 동의하는지 동의 안 하는지 알려드리려고 합니다. 영어로 추측이 되게 많이 왔는데 영어는 영어로 답변하고 한국어는 한국어로 답변을 하도록 하겠습니다. The most assumption I got was you are rich / you are born from a rich family. I would say that this assumption is false, but it doesn't mean that I am poor either. It's just like I'm just like an average normal person. The reason why I'm able to spend my money on like merch and like my clothing and everything that's in my room is because I'm earning my money by myself. I'm actually earning money from YouTube and sponsorships, and I used to have a part-time job, but I don't think that really matters because it was like last year. Yeah, I wouldn't say that I am rich. It's just like I'm earning my own money. I got this one a lot as well. You're the outgoing one in a friend group. This assumption is totally false because I'm an introverted person. Let's say I have two options. One way is to go to my friend's party and make new friends, and one way is to just stay at home and just like spend my own time. I am a type of person who would spend my own time instead. I don't know, I just don't really like getting around with people and like meeting new people and stuff. I don't know, it's just not my type. I'm a person who likes to just work by myself and just have my own few friends. You're actually Mark's friend. I wish, but I am not. So this one time, I still want to know why, but a lot of people DM'd me at once and then they were like telling me, they were like, I know you personally know Mark. I know you know Mark for sure or something, but I was like, huh? Because, you know, that doesn't even make sense and I don't. So if you're a person who thinks that I personally know Mark Lee, I don't. You're popular at school. Totally false. First of all, I am very introverted, so I'm not like this type of person who would be like friends with everyone, you know? Second of all, you know how I film videos like how to make friends and like how to, I don't even know, get along with people, but in reality, I'm really introverted and yeah, it's just I'm not popular at all. 다음 거. 왠지 공부를 잘하실 것 같아요. 이것도 되게 많이 받았어요. 막 우등생일 것 같다. 막 탑 3 안에 들 것 같다. 못하는 것도 아니고 잘하는 것도 아니고 그냥 하는데 작년까지만 해도 제가 되게 열심히 살았어요. 저희 학교는 이제 핸드폰을 안 걷는데 다른 친구들 같은 경우에는 핸드폰을 책상 위에 이렇게 두거나 뭐 그래요. 근데 저는 진짜 수업 시작하기 5분 전에 가방에 넣고 지퍼 완전 다 닫고 뭔가 숙제 같은 거 알려주시면 바로바로 막 알림장에 다 쓰고 그랬거든요. 근데 올해 들어서 갑자기 이게 또 2년 다녔다고 약간 늘어진 거예요. 약간 굳이 그렇게 열심히 안 해도 됐네 하는 느낌으로. 그래서 그 막 으쌰으쌰 하던 갤린디카이트는 약간 사그러들었지만 막 공부를 탑으로 하고 그거는 아니에요. The next one. You really don't like NCT but SM secretly pays you to promote them. That actually happened to me? No, I'm just kidding. It didn't happen to me. It doesn't even make sense. No. SM does not pay me and I love NCT for real. So yeah, this assumption is totally false. You're very shy when you first meet people. That is very true. I'm very shy when I first meet people. But once I'm like comfortable around them and if we get closer, I would just kind of be goofy and just kind of start dancing sometimes. Yeah. The next one. Humble. If I say yes to this assumption, I feel like it's not being humble, you know? But I would agree with this assumption because being humble is very important in my life. Like personally, I think being humble is very important. I feel like being humble leads you to thinking positive, and thinking positive leads you to your mood, like feeling good and like just caring about others and I feel like being humble is just really important. 다음은 춤하고 노래 잘하실 것 같아요. 완전한 평가를 받아본 적은 없어서 잘하는지는 모르겠어요. 근데 되게 좋아요. 정말 좋아해요. 집에서 혼자 춤추고 노래 부르면서 놀 것 같다는 추측도 되게 많았는데 그거 정말 사실이에요. 왜냐면 노래보다 솔직히 춤을 되게 좋아해요. 진짜 좋아하는 안무 있으면 튜토리얼 바로 보고 한 번도 춤을 제대로 막 1대1로 막 이런 식으로 배워본 적이 없어서 항상 마음 한구석에 진짜 제대로 너무 배워보고 싶다 이런 생각을 하고 있는데 정말 저 신나면 막 아이돌 춤 추기 시작하고 제 친구들도 알거든요. 저 맨날 막 가끔 춤추는 거 막 부모님도 알고 어렸을 때부터 춤추는 거 되게 좋아했었어요. 그래서 어렸을 때 영상들 보면 진짜 거의 90%가 다 춤추는 거예요. 한국 살 때 학교에서 미술상은 다 탔을 것이다. 감사합니다. 근데 아니에요. 한국은 솔직히 창의력이나 그런 거보다 기술을 좀 많이 보는 것 같거든요, 제 생각에는. 저희 학교에 막 예술 중학교를 들어가려고 입시 준비를 하는 친구들이 되게 많았어가지고 그런 친구들이 이제 항상 탔었고 또 그 친구들은 항상 이제 전문적으로 배워온 애들이니까 아무래도 그런 친구들이 많이 탔지 저는 단 한 번도 미술상을 타본 적이 없습니다. The next thing is very nice person and doesn't get mad easily. That is kind of true because I don't know, people know it right away when I'm mad because I don't get mad easily. They can see it right away when I feel mad. It's just like I don't really talk that much and I don't smile and yeah. You are definitely related to a K-pop idol, but we Galindas don't know who it is yet. Half yes, half no, because biologically in my family there's no one who's a K-pop idol, but I do know some people around me who debuted or who is a trainee, so I guess that's the only relationship I have with K-pop idols. Your friend group is mostly or all Asian. I would say yes to the mostly. Not all. First of all, the reason why my Asian friends come out in my vlogs are because they're the ones who found it out by themselves. But my Caucasian/local friends or other race friends, they do not know about my YouTube channel at all. In elementary, I used to have such a few Asian friends. I'm not even kidding. After I came here, what happened was that all of my non-Asian friends, they changed so much. And they all went to the wrong path, and I don't really want to say what kind of wrong path it is, but yeah, I didn't want to follow them, and they're totally different now, 180 degrees. They're just a whole different person. So I'm starting to make new friends, and my new friends are mostly Asian, but it's not all Asian. You use your parents' money to buy all your NCT merch. That is totally false, 100% false, because my parents would pay for my living or things I need, but merch, none of my merch is purchased by my parents, none. Even the concert or anything, they were just go with your money, and I was like, okay, yeah. So merch and things I want is all spent by me. O형일 것 같다. 저는 O형이 아니고 A형입니다. You're 155 centimeters tall. That is not true. I am 164 centimeters tall. 방에 더러운 것들을 보면 참지 못하고 바로바로 치울 것 같다. 좀 이상한 게 어쩔 때는 가끔 그럴 때가 와요. 도저히 못 참겠어. 이건 바로 치워야 돼. 이럴 때가 있는 시기가 있고, 어쩔 때는 진짜 그냥 더러워지든 산이 되든 말든 그냥 신경 끄고 살자 이럴 때도 있고, 네, 그럴 때도 있고 안 그럴 때도 있어요. 친구들 사이에서 사랑둥이일 것 같아요. 한국 친구들 사이에서는 맞는 것 같아요. 한국에 있는 친구들은 정말 되게 저를 잘 챙겨주고 저를 정말 응원해주고 되게 귀여워하는 그런 게 있어요. 근데 여기서는 아니에요. 여기서는 정말 아닌 게, 우선 첫 번째로 이게 영향력이 있을지는 모르겠지만 아무래도 제가 한 학년을 꾸려서 들어왔기 때문에 제 친구들은 2004년생이란 말이죠. 한 달 차이긴 하지만 그래도 분위기나 그런 거 상으로도 제가 사랑둥이는 아니고요. 그냥 여기서는 그냥 평범한 아이. ENFP. No, I am actually INFJ, but sometimes I can be INTJ because I literally got 49% versus 51% for TNF part, so INFJ, but sometimes I can be INTJ. Your artistic creativeness and talents come from your parents. I feel like it's kind of true because my dad likes to draw and he likes to like make things, you know, but my mom, no. She is totally a different person. You don't want to go back to Korea. Half yes, half no for this because I don't feel like it'll be better for me to go back because I know that the education system there is gonna kill me when I go there, like really. Technically, I feel like it's better to stay here, but I do sometimes want to go back to Korea. You spend way too much money on NCT merch and albums. That is so true. 100% true. There's no disagreement at all. What I did was like last month, I guess, I totaled up all like the money I got from YouTube and stuff, and I realized that 90% of it was all spent on NCT and SHINee for sure. I do spend way too much money also because I live in Canada. I feel like at least for real, I spend at least $500 for shipping fee. Only the shipping fee. Like the shipping fee is killing me. You are the type of person who is, I want it, I got it, but it's hardworking and kind. I say yes because as I said for the rich one, I do buy things I want and I get things I want, but that doesn't come for free, right? Like getting sponsorships or anything like that. It's not like I'm just lying on the couch and doing nothing. It's like I'm making videos and I'm just doing my thing right now and I'm just continuing vlogging and editing and everything. So you're actually getting into a different group and slowly getting bored of NCT. Totally false, and I don't think it'll ever happen. 마지막 assumption. 유튜브를 그만두고 싶던 적이 있을 것 같다. 대놓고 그만두고 싶다 이런 생각을 했다기보다 그만두면 어떻게 될까까지는 생각을 했었어요. 왜냐면 그만두고 싶다는 생각이 오기 직전이어서 그 생각을 없애려고 그만두면 내가 어떻게 될지 그런 생각까지 했었는데, 솔직히 제가 그만두고 싶을 때는 언제든지 그만둘 수 있어서 크게 뭐 후회를 하거나 그런 적은 없는데, 그냥 앞으로 이런 게 좀 많이 힘들겠구나, 앞으로 이거는 내가 감안해야 하는구나, 이런 거는 있죠. 네, 여러분, 여기까지가 이제 저의 추측 읽어보기였는데요. 되게 신기하고 또 특이한 추측들 되게 많았는데 여러분들의 궁금증과 오해가 풀렸으면 좋겠네요. 오늘 영상도 봐주셔서 너무너무 감사드리고, 마지막으로 그 5만 갤린데를 찍었어요, 제가. 5만. Is that even possible? 5만. 정말 50K 한 분 한 분 너무너무 감사드리고, 앞으로도 열심히 할 테니 쭉 지켜봐 주시고, 오늘 영상도 봐주셔서 너무너무 감사드려요. 구독과 좋아요도 부탁드리고, 저는 다음 영상에서 만나 뵐게요. 안녕!